What is the Great Gator Gravel Grinder? Is it a race? Is it a casual ride? Is it challenging? Is it going to be fun? It's all of those things. Racers will find a race, riders will find a ride. But make no mistake, this course does bring challenges, and at the end of the day, you will be left with the mark of the 4G. The challenge in this gravel grinder lies in the constant change of the terrain. Once you get comfortable on one thing and you think, alright, I got a pace, it changes it up on you. Not to mention that you're going to see a bunch of different structures and interesting objects as you ride along, and you're going to want to stop and take a picture with it. Now, what did you expect? It is the southernmost unsouthern gravel grinder in the United States. And where do we add the fun? Well, why don't we take that and add one of the southernmost brewing companies, the Miami Brewing Company. And here's another thing that just sets the 4G apart from any other gravel grinder: the venue. You will get to bring your friends, family members, and even your pets. After they see you off, they will get to go back inside and hang out at this amazing venue. They will get to eat, they'll get to play games, and oh yeah, did I forget? It's a brewery, so they get to drink all the beer that they want. Responsibly, of course. Do you have what it takes? Well, that's what these vultures are wondering. So join us and help make the 4G the greatest southernmost unsouthern gravel grinder in the United States.